So we look at how to resolve a DE error code on a front load washing machine. So when you power it on, you select the programs, let's say synthetics or baby care, and then you start it. It won't proceed unless the door is locked. So let's give it a few seconds. That's the door lock error. So what's happening, if the door is not well closed, the machine will definitely give you a DE error code. You just open the door and you close it with the force. It's not well locked. When you press it, it automatically engages. Okay, number 2,